In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom dates in ClickUp Calendar View. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to track more than just due dates, such as publish dates, review schedules, or any timeline that plays an important role in your workflow. To get started, open your browser and go to clickup.com, then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard, where all your workspaces are organized. From there, locate the Spaces section and select the space where you want to add your custom date field. This could be any workspace you're actively using, depending on your needs. After opening the space, look toward the right side of your screen where you'll find a plus icon. This is used to add custom fields. Click on it, and a search bar will appear. In that search bar, type in Date to filter the available options. When you see the Date field option, select it to continue. A small window will appear asking you to name your new field. Choose a name that clearly reflects its purpose. For example, you might call it Publish Date or something similar that makes sense for your workflow. Once you've entered the name, go ahead and create the field. Now that your custom date field has been added, it's time to assign dates to your tasks. Open any task within your space and you'll see the new field displayed. Click on it and select the appropriate date for that task. Repeat this for other tasks as needed, since these dates will be used in your calendar view. Once your tasks are updated, navigate to the top of your workspace and switch to the calendar view. This allows you to see your tasks laid out over time, making it easier to manage schedules and deadlines. In the calendar view, find and click the Customize option to adjust what appears on your calendar. From there, open the additional settings and locate the section related to task dates. This is where you can choose which date fields are displayed. Enable your custom date field so it becomes visible on the calendar. You should immediately notice how your tasks align based on the dates you assigned. Finally, save your view to ensure that your settings remain applied every time you return. This way, you won't need to repeat the process again. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.